On a sunny farm, Chico found a red towel. I am Super Chicken! I can fly! I totally meant to do that!
I can fly! Oh, Super Muddy Chicken!
Help! My toy boat is stuck!
Don't worry! Super Chicken is here!
I totally meant to do that.
I am Captain Crunch. I eat everyone's vegetables. Not today, Captain Crunch. Hey, that actually worked.
Can you really fly?
Of course!
Moo, amazing!
You really are a superhero.
Maybe not a perfect superhero, but definitely the funniest one.
You don't have to be perfect to be a hero. Helping others is what matters most.
Super Chicken, away!